a play upon my mind still. Me can't sleep, I'm there upon 5 pill. My God alone know.
That do a bag of chicks, see me bend over. And you're lucky na me rose can't come up back. Up on your body, me a wine and a revolt that 6:30.
On a bit, I love it and flow poverty, me not a fan of it. Push with the Panameric roof, yeah the fan of it. Cannabis lined up on the pool.
Got throat, head not up on the body. And the more not up on the planet. Evil you fuck and God.
If he beat me, boy them a cartoon like Disney. Team diff, real diff, our district.
Tired and watch it sailor. Y'all dash it up, me sharper than a razor. I never man a father, God a fi me savior. Me pop it off anyway, I me no care.
When a shot by funds, he no talk to him mother in months. He talk to himself on the weed and drugs. First time I pop a pill, bro, fall.
Couple his ambition, that's how me brother silver. Smoke so till we nah no liver. The way the grabber hat me burn it right beside the river. Pass me like a make me squeeze it like a cigar.
Make me high like a drone. Water party me day and girl a bite pon the cone. I want steel brick, make she kneel pon the floor. Say she want suck me too, me say
Been up here, boy, love it fuckery. Yo, Bobby can't match up to a killer. Rich badness them down in our way now. Don't just
This is a long time family, a long time friend. This man, you see, a 2 7-star general, you know. 7, right? So 2 7-star general for our people. So this was, but let's say you're going to retire, and I say, I don't know you're going to retire, so you. No, if you retire, I beg you please. You have 2 more terms. Become the 9-star general. Because yeah, the 7, you know, but you're going to die. People. Alright, want to leave a comment, so anybody who said the boss is up at 9, leave a comment. Ask him down. You ready for retire? You ready? Let me know if you're ready. You ready? I'm 72 I'm still active. Yes, but time come to do other things. Alright. Well, I can't fight to the party. So people, me and all of my partner, how much years now? Too long. From Siaga days. So people, this is my long time friend, my good friend, you know, from Mr. Siaga days, come right back, till in that coffee industry. I remember the project where they brought the coffee industry up here, make our coffee get sell. And my vex are them kind of shelfie, but people, this is the man with all the ideas, the 7-star general people. Win 7 times, them can't test him. So, you know what is the greatest thing about leadership? Guess what? When you have to step down, nobody will knock you out. That's why we rate Nigel. And Nigel step down, you know. And then you have to step down. So that make your incontestability. What make you? Incontestability. There's no way to contest. People, the 7-star general himself and the 7 stars are 2 7-star general. I love you, my brother. One shot, on the shot. I pick up Nigel. Start well.
I mean, we don't like establishments. Well, yes, everything. You see, the music say death to black and white oppressors, to all oppressors. You know, we are dealing with human beings. We are dealing with the purpose why God created man in the first place. And how man should live. And we, these people, want to live like how God said man should live. And through reggae music, we convey our message because it's a lot of people not living that way. Not that them don't want to live that way, but they are forced to live that way. So the music come to change, you know. The music come to change the whole idea. I don't know how long it might take, but that's what I am.
Yo, man, I feel like somebody did need to hear this today. But yeah, just wear the new clothes them way have. Wear the new shoes, the new bag, whatever it is. Just wear your thing them, bro. Or sis. You know, life short. I feel like we think we have more time than we actually do. But yeah, life short. Enough people never wake up today. And them dead left the clothes them and the thing them with them they save up. So yeah, just we live in a right now. All we have is right now. So, you know, just wear your thing them, get their experiences or whatever it is.
roughly every 2 years. So every 26 months, the planets align, and you can travel from Earth to Mars. And we're actually at a planetary alignment moment right now, or in the next few months. And so in roughly 2 years, there will be another planetary alignment. And that's when we intend to send the first Starship rockets to Mars. Yeah.